Small swaps can make chaotic days easier to steer. The first one starts before you react. Your first reaction is usually too fast. The move is not to shove the feeling down or pretend you are fine. Train a tiny replacement habit. When you notice the trigger, pause before you speak or act. That swaps the old pattern, trigger then reaction, for a new one, trigger then pause. The point is simple. A pause gives you a little space to choose your response instead of letting the feeling pick the next move for you. Make the pause concrete so your body knows what to do. Close your mouth first. Use a filler line like, let me think about that. Or take one slow, deep, 5-second breath before you answer. That short breath gives your nervous system a moment to settle before words or actions fly out. Practice it in small, everyday situations, not just the big heated ones, because you are building muscle memory. When the feeling rises, the next move is pause. Another one, clutter piles invite more clutter. If you want a room to look more orderly, don't start by buying bins for every little stack. Start by removing the stacks. If you can't sort them right now, put the loose stuff into one box and move that box into a closet. The point is simple. When the first pile is gone, there's no landing pad, telling everyone it's okay to add one more random thing. Here's why it works. A pile silently signals. Stuff lives here, so the next sock, broken toy, or scrap of trash blends right in. But on a clear surface, that same item looks out of place, so someone is more likely to notice it and move it. You can also combine several small piles into one bigger stack. It leaves more clear space, and if the stack is already a little wobbly, people pause before adding to it and risking the whole thing tipping over. Finally, goals need triggers, not just wishes. Here's the move. If you're working toward a goal, decide ahead of time how you'll respond when a specific situation shows up. The formula is simple. If this happens, or when this happens, then I do this. That matters because the choice is no longer floating around in the moment. You've already linked the situation to the action. To build one, pick a cue you can actually notice, then attach one action that fits the goal. At a work lunch, if the server asks about dessert, then order mint tea. When you want to check Instagram, open the Libby app first and read a chapter. On a weekday lunch, use that moment to connect with someone, eat in the break room, go out with a friend, or send a text to a friend or family member. The point is that the situation becomes the reminder, so you don't have to reinvent the decision every time. A small pause, less clutter, and a clear plan can make your next good choice easier.